I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select GetResponse. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API token, please visit GetResponse API token. Click on Generate Key. Give the name of your key. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select Campaigns from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetResponse. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to GetResponse. Navigate to the Bid Integrations list. Here is the data that came into GetResponse through the integration. Thanks for watching.